Welcome to the Infinias online video tutorial on how to create a card holder. This brief tutorial will walk you through creating a card holder, giving that card holder group membership, and other various settings that pertain to a user. So to create a card holder in Intellium Access, you must be logged in with the user in the role of Human Resources or Administrator. We will explain these roles and their capabilities in just a moment. If you're logged in as admin or HR, navigate over to the People tab. From there, select the Create Person action on the left-hand side. There are 4 required fields for creating a valid card holder in Intellium Access, which include first name, last name, site code, and card number. Once you've entered in the required fields, go ahead and select the group membership for this card holder. I'm going to make Jason a member of the Everyone group, which is a built-in group by Intellium Access. The group membership is tied to access privileges. These are created by a system administrator in configuration. You're not going to create access privileges here, so just hit the Create button below. Okay, now that we created a card holder within Intellium Access, what we're going to do is double click on that card holder to edit, and this is going to pull up all the configuration settings for the user. What we're going to do from here is in the upper left hand corner you'll notice a button that says Change Image. Select that, and we're actually going to apply an image from our workstation to this card holder. Once you selected the desired image, go ahead and hit Save. Okay, let's go ahead and edit the user that we just created. Within the Contact tab, you can program information that pertains to that person. These fields are not used for anything in Intellium Access except for the primary and the secondary email fields, which are leveraged with the email event rule. The Badge tab will allow you to add a second badge for that user. The activation dates and times can be configured for the additional badges as well. If the user will have mobile credentials, create and set a unique credential key for the user. Users will be required to enter in this key when they connect to the server through their Infinias mobile credential app. The Roles tab is where you can define a user's role, which will determine their level of access when logging into the Intellium Access server. The 3 primary roles are as follows. First, you're going to have the user. The user has access to only the home section and has very limited capabilities. Think of a user as a guard. The user role can see people in groups, but cannot create, edit, or delete them. Furthermore, the user can view events, run reports, and momentarily unlock a door. The next role up in the hierarchy of roles is called Human Resources. Now, HR can do everything that a user can. However, HR can create, edit, and delete people and groups. And the highest level is going to be Administrator. Administrator has the ability to do everything and has full access to home and configuration sections within Intellium Access. Now, important note here is that when you're creating a user and you're assigning a role to that user, you cannot assign a role above the one that you're currently in. So if you're in the Human Resources role, you can only assign users and people to the Human Resources role or the User role, which is a level below Human Resources. You could never assign them to Administrator. Okay, once you have applied the role to your created person, hit the Save button below. From there, we're going to log out and log back into Intellium Access with your new credentials. Once you've logged into the software, your username will be visible in the upper right-hand corner. I hope you found this brief tutorial to be helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to browse through any of our other video tutorials online, and if you can't find your answer there, feel free to even contact our support group, who are ready and willing to help out with any questions you may have. Thanks, and have a great day.